Most real money game apps rely on ads to fund rewards, but there's a small group that reduces or removes ads by using direct sponsorships, offer walls, or task-based payouts instead. By the end of this, you'll know 5 types of games that can pay real money without forcing constant ads, how they actually generate payouts, and what decides whether earnings feel smooth or inconsistent. Start with what no ads really means in money games. In most cases, it doesn't mean 0 ads ever. It means earnings aren't locked behind watching ads after every action. Instead, payouts are tied to gameplay progress, sponsored offers, or external reward systems. So the focus shifts from ad watching to task completion. First category is skill-based tournament games. These games reward performance in competitions like puzzles, trivia, or strategy matches. Earnings come from entry pools or sponsorship funding rather than ad views. Second category is puzzle progression games with sponsorship rewards. These games track how far you progress through levels. Rewards are tied to milestones, not ad engagement, which reduces the need for frequent interruptions. Third category is offer-supported gaming apps. These apps include multiple games, but payouts are funded by advertisers in the background. You earn by completing objectives inside games rather than watching ads directly. Fourth category is subscription-funded reward games. Some platforms operate on membership or premium models, where user subscriptions help fund reward pools. This reduces reliance on ads but often limits free earning options. Fifth category is competitive leaderboard games. These games reward top performers on daily or weekly leaderboards. Payouts come from pooled entry fees or sponsor funding instead of AD impressions. Now here's what actually matters more than the presence of ads. Funding source stability is the biggest factor. If rewards depend on inconsistent sponsors, earnings can fluctuate even without ads. Task availability also matters. Even ad-free systems still require enough active players or offers to keep payouts flowing. And withdrawal structure is key. Some apps delay payouts until thresholds are reached, which affects how fast the money feels. So the real difference isn't just ads or no ads. It's whether the game has a reliable way to fund rewards without interrupting gameplay constantly. Summary: real money games without ads usually rely on sponsorships, competitions, or task-based systems. Earnings depend on funding stability, active users, and payout rules. No system guarantees consistent income without conditions. Next step: try one low ad or ad-light reward game and track whether your earnings feel smoother compared to ad-heavy apps. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.